There we are. Right, let's see what this road looks like. It must take us over that bit over there. This is immense. So it's the Tor who never recommended, he did a video on it, and he said if you're in this part of the world you need to do it, so that's what I'm doing. It's also good to know that the host, who knows this place like the back of his hand, he had a big part in the tourist board or whatever their part is. And he was telling me about this before I even mentioned that I was coming here. So he says it's great. And he's given me another one for tomorrow. I was going down that way anyway, but he told me that there's a glacier that you can actually ride up to. I think it's part of where the skiing is, but he says there's a bit gravelly on the road. He says it's paved. But we'll see, eh? Yeah. He's also given me another couple of roads further up, so we'll look at the sat nav and we'll see what see if we can navigate to it. Because today's about finding all these little back roads. The main roads are absolutely fine, but this is actually better. And I can just toddle along because there's nobody up my chuff, and I can take in all these views, all the ambience. I managed to catch a video this morning over my coffee. Ice Diddy, Nick. He got his NT1100, had its first service. He drove down there nice and dry when he went to come and pick it up and it was pissing down. It's always the way, isn't it? Anywho, over 200 quid to get an oil change done and a check. It's just mental, isn't it? Hey ho, that's what you've got to do, eh? Certainly keep it in warranty. It's a beautiful cliff, sheer. Now that's me at the halfway point. So we're away to get some hairpins. Let's enjoy these things. Oh, look at that waterfall. No place to stop, I'm afraid. Now we're climbing at a bit of a rate. Now stunning. Yeah, I can't stop here, it's on a hill. Yeah, it's a pity I can't stop on a hill on this bike. I'm not confident in the parking brake. Can't leave it in gear. Well, I've got the 360 camera, so that should capture. Oh, look at that! That is amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness me. Thank you, Mr. Tor. Absolutely epic. There we are, we're going to see the waterfall. Oh, magnificent. What a magnificent road. And this will be the viewpoint. I think if I can stop, I'm going to stop. If I can find a flat space. And I can't. Wow, what a noise. Yeah. Amazing. There we are, see that route there. Love it. Alright, let's go and see what this road's got to offer. That was really impressive. Hope you enjoyed that one. And I think this is us back on the main road again.